So hey guys, what's going on? So today I got something in the mail and thought I would share it with you because it's pretty cool. I know what's in here, but I don't know exactly what's in here because in typical limited run fashion, it took a really long time to get here, and with the pandemic? Why can't I say that word? Pandemic, it has taken even double as long. I have stuff that I ordered from like almost 2 years ago that's still not here yet. It's kind of ridiculous. So anyways, let's pile into the box and see what's going on here. Okay, there we go. I've got my box cutter right here. So let's slice in. You know, I've had quite a few games that I've collected and stuff since I did my last video, because last time I was living in the house and since then I've moved. I don't know, maybe that's something that we need to revisit. Oh wow, that was just on top. Okay. Okay, first thing out of the box, there you go. It's the Doom COD. If I can get it in there right. Limited Run's been doing this thing where they've been putting flyers into all their boxes. I'm gonna put this somewhere where it doesn't get cut up. Alright. Watch me stab my foot. Let's just not do that, okay? Oh. So I guess these just come out. And... wow. Okay. Okay. A lot of respect here. So a lot of people you're gonna see are just probably not gonna open this. They probably wouldn't dare open it, but we're gonna open it because we play our games and we enjoy them. And some people are full-on collectors, and there's some people like me that like messing with all the things and sharing it with all you guys. You know, sometimes when I do these videos, I'm like kind of concerned that I'm like being part of the problem of like people mass consumerism and all that, and I really worried about that for a little while, and I just said, hell with it. I enjoy this, you guys enjoy it. If other people have weird opinions like that out there, just let them have the opinion. I don't really care at this point. Alright, get that shrink wrap off. So this is the Classics collection. This includes Doom 1, 2, and 3. And the big deal with this one is this one has a shadow box, and that's what we're looking at right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. I don't know if it has any power to it. It's supposed to light up and stuff. I'll try to capture that as best as I can. Okay, so there we go. I have a Castlevania collection. It's also coming. It's supposed to have one of these shadow boxes. So here's the shadow box right here. Everything's backwards for me because the screen's upside down. So it's pretty freaking cool. It's got like a nice integration here. It looks like it's rechargeable. Oh, there's batteries back here. Maybe it's not rechargeable. Let's see if it works. Oh. Okay. Well, once again, backwards. Let's shut this light off so you guys get a better idea. Oh, nope, that ain't what I wanted to do. Shut you off. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. A little bit of reflection going on. That's pretty cool. What's the button do? Can you guys hear that? Put it up on my microphone. Oh, there's the speaker. Interesting. I wonder how long this stays on for. It's very cool. I'll try to get better photos of it a little bit later on. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side. Let's bring this light back on. Okay. All right. Another box and shrink wrap. What a shock. Just get through it. All right. Oh, it's like foil. I love foil. I don't know why. I love foil and everything, like cards, other things. Doom is one of those old games that I can still go back to this day and still play despite its like squared off pixel looking ass, and still enjoy the shit out of. And these conversions that they did for, ooh, okay, I was just kind of taken aback by something. There's like a sticker here. I thought it was like actual sticker on the box. I was like, what the hell? But they're made to look like stickers, so that's the box inside. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we got ourselves a keychain. So this is a throwback to another Doom collection that they did. So this looks like a 3.5 inch disc, obviously, like, you know, the original shareware Dooms and stuff like that came in, but it's actually a USB drive. It's not a huge one, it's only 8 gigabytes, because this is from a collection that they reproduced these, and this is from a collection where they had Doom on the PC, obviously re-released or something like that, and it was like years ago, so they probably just had extras of those. Then right here we have a full-on, hear that? We have a full-on metal red key card. It would have been kind of cool if all these collections had different color key cards, like yellow, green, whatever, just kind of depended on what you got. And then here's the game itself. And I don't think there's anything different with this. No, nothing really different compared to the other one. But then you have the Steelbook. I love Steelbook, guys. I'm a huge fan of Steelbooks. If you guys have been on the channel for a while, you know that. I think every video game should come in a Steelbook. They're awesome. And on the bottom, it looks like we have a Doom comic book. Weird. That's kind of cool. I wonder if this is like a re-release from a comic book that they had before. I know it's got ID on it. I kind of doubt it, but who knows. Oh, we got some art cards. Okay, let's see what these are. Alright, so we have Doom. Then we have Doom 2. And Doom 3. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool. The thing I really like about it, I like the key card. I like the shadow box. Love the Steelbook. Since I already have these going on my SD card on my Switch, I'm just going to put them back. How are these in here? I forgot already. Get a better look at that shadow box though. That box is just freaking cool. I mean, look at that. I love foil. I love foil so freaking much. Okay, so the deal with this is, it says it takes three AA batteries that you can run it off of, or the USB port on the side is so you can plug it in with a USB cable, like a phone charger or something, and just have it on all the time, like on a shelf or whatnot. I might actually do that. We have to do some rearranging, which isn't a problem. I'm currently in the middle of doing my spring cleaning a little bit early, getting some things out of the way and stuff, and removing them and all that fun stuff. But this shadow box is freaking cool. I'm really digging this. I think the Castlevania one is going to be like the same deal, obviously Castlevania art, and when you press the button on the side, instead of it being Doom music, it's supposed to be Bloody Tears from Castlevania 2, so that's pretty sweet. I'm loving this. This thing is so freaking cool. Alright, so here's the shadow box, so you guys can see. That thing looks wicked. I'm loving it. It's got that music in it. I'm glad that doesn't run all the time when the lights are on, but that is just sweet. And you can see down in there is like the LED strip. Anyways, that has been the unboxing of the Doom Ultimate Collection from Limited Run Games. I just think this shadow box is just so freaking sick looking. This thing is so cool, guys. Anyways, if you'd like to share your collection, or maybe you guys get some limited run games or some other games, I need to go back through my collection and go watch my last like collector's video to see what I showed you guys and what I've missed, because I've been getting a few retro games and stuff and I haven't been running through it except like on like Instagram and stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below. I also have a section in my Discord where you guys can post pictures of your collections and tell me what's special about yours, words and stuff. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.